Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're looking at DTC P0005. That's fuel shutoff valve, a control circuit / open. It's one of the rarer fuel system codes, but if you've got it, your car might not even start. P0005 is set when the powertrain control module doesn't detect voltage or continuity in the fuel shutoff valve, a control circuit. This valve is used to control fuel flow, either during startup or to shut the engine off in emergencies. If the circuit is open, the PCM can't control the valve, which can prevent the engine from starting or running properly. The most common cause is a broken wire or disconnected connector in the shutoff valve circuit. The shutoff solenoid itself might be damaged or burn out. Also look out for corrosion at the connectors, especially if the vehicle's been exposed to moisture. In rare cases, the issue might be a fault inside the PCM itself. The biggest symptom is a no-start condition. The engine might crank, but it won't fire. Or it could start and then shut off right away. You'll also see the check engine light. Stalling while driving is possible but less common, depending on how your vehicle handles fuel shutoff logic. Start by checking for continuity in the shutoff valve wiring using a multimeter. Inspect all connectors and look for fraying, corrosion, or loose terminals. Then test the solenoid itself for proper resistance. If it's out of spec, replace it. If all wiring and components check out, then consider testing the output from the PCM, but only after ruling everything else out. And that's everything you need to know about P0005. If this helped, be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and comment with what codes you want covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.